This viral $7 selling strategy has made me over $3,000 in digital product sales. And it's the first funnel that made me successful as a beginner. The best part? It's so simple that you can use it with any digital product and you'll have it forever. It's a one-click install through System.io with easy to follow tutorials. It's easy to set up and everything is a step-by-step process. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how it works, how it can help you, and how you can start making digital product sales too. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Jo and I help creators with freelancing, passive income, and tech. When I first started with digital products, I felt completely overwhelmed by all of the different strategies that are out there. I tried Etsy, Creative Market. I even launched my own digital product shop on Squarespace. I made a few sales here and there, but it was hardly enough to live the dream of riding off into the sunset with a cocktail in hand. After several attempts, it became really clear that what I was doing just wasn't working. The problem? My selling strategy was all wrong. It's not that these platforms are bad, the ones that I've mentioned, they're actually really great for some people, but they just didn't work for me because I wasn't aligning my approach with the way people actually think and the way they behave when they made purchases. Then I discovered the $7 selling strategy and everything changed. It was really the first funnel that truly clicked for me, and I really wish that I'd had a video exactly like this one right in front of me when I was really stuck. Now, this strategy didn't just help me make my first real sale. It gave me a repeatable system that I can use with any digital products time and time again, which I think is pretty valuable. By the way, I've put links to all my resources and freebies in the description below, including this exact $7 selling system, so make sure to check that out. So here's how the strategy works. It's built around a simple yet powerful funnel with 5 key pages that guide the customer through an optimized buying process. Number 1, the sales page. This page is designed to capture attention and convince potential buyers of the value of your digital product, encouraging them to take the first step. Number 2, the order form with an order bump. Here you offer an additional product at a slightly higher price, enticing customers to increase their purchase with minimal effort. Number 3, the upsell page. After the initial purchase, this page presents a higher value offer that complements the original digital product, providing incredible value and an opportunity to boost your revenue. Number 4, the downsell page. For those clients who decline the upsell, this page offers a lower cost alternative, ensuring that you don't lose the sale entirely. Number 5, the thank you page. This is the final page that not only thanks the customer, but also delivers the purchased product if you want to, including systems, tutorials, trainings, and any additional bonuses that you've promised. So really the entire strategy behind this funnel is really simple, yet it's quite brilliant, because at each stage, the customer is prompted to take an action, starting with a low-cost entry point. And as they progress, each product offered is more valuable than the last, leading to an irresistible and ultimate offer. But the real magic happens when these pages and the overall strategy works together seamlessly along with you, the secret sauce. The system is designed to be effective no matter what kind of digital product that you're selling. And because it's all set up through System.io, it's incredibly easy to install, customize, and start using right away. If you're looking to start making money with digital products, the viral $7 selling strategy is the perfect place to start. But let's break it down how exactly the system works and how you can best use it to start making digital product sales. Okay, so first, you're going to be focusing on one proven selling system. One of the biggest mistakes people often make when starting out with digital products is just trying to do too much at once, just like I did. So this $7 selling strategy, it completely eliminates that problem by giving you a proven, simple framework to follow. Instead of spreading yourself thin across multiple strategies or platforms, again, like I did, you'll end up focusing on mastering this one system. By concentrating your efforts here, you can refine and improve your approach, and this will lead to greater success and more significant revenue and improvement over time. Sometimes it's not about reinventing the wheel, it's about using a strategy that's proven to work. But it is also about committing to the process, giving an honest effort, testing, refining, and continuously improving. I always think that success doesn't come from quitting at the first hurdle, it comes from persistence and making the strategy work for you. Then you're going to improve and automate your funnel. Once you've got the system in place, the next step is to optimize and automate it. This is where the real magic really happens. System.io makes it incredibly easy to set up automation that handles everything from order bumps to follow-up emails, automatic email campaigns, basically everything. By automating these processes, you not only increase your sales, but you free up your time to focus on the things that you want to spend your time on, like potentially creating more content to drive people to your digital products. The goal here is to create a system that works for you even when you're not actively managing it. Stand out in your niche with the $7 selling system. One of the most powerful aspects of this strategy is how it can help you stand out in a crowded niche. Even if you're in a really competitive market, this system allows you to basically differentiate yourself and offer a streamlined, effective funnel that resonates with your audience. By focusing on what makes your products unique and using this proven selling system, you can attract a dedicated customer base that sees your products as the go-to solution. This not only boosts your sales, but it also helps you establish a strong presence in your niche, making your brand super memorable and trusted. The power of digital products for consistent income. One of the biggest advantages of digital products is their ability to be scaled to anything. Unlike physical products, digital products don't involve the hassles of inventory or shipping or any other logistical challenges. This strategy is designed to capitalize on the scalability of digital products, providing you with a reliable income stream that grows over time. You're not just making one-time sales, you're building a system that continuously brings in revenue as more people discover your products. Plus, by using this system and combining it with Systeme.io, you can earn and grow affiliate commissions. Brainstorming digital products that sell. Like I mentioned before, the beauty of this framework is that it's super versatile. It really doesn't matter what type of digital product you're selling, this system can really basically adapt to your needs. The key is to think about what aligns with your skills, passions, and how you can really help your clients. Once you identify that, you can package your expertise into products that others will find really valuable. And this system is the perfect way to start getting those products in front of the right audience. Integrating digital products into your business. This strategy isn't just about making extra money. It's about creating a sustainable business model. When you integrate digital products into your existing business, you're not only diversifying your income, but you're also building yourself flexibility into your work schedule. This means by selling digital products, you're going to have more time to focus on what you love, whether it's creating new products, marketing your business, or simply enjoying the freedom that comes with a successful online business. The beauty of this strategy is that it doesn't just stop at setting up the funnel. It also teaches you a beginner-friendly way to start driving traffic. So even if you're new to marketing, you'll have all the tools and guidance to start attracting the right audience to your products. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the back end of this system. So this is the first part, which is the sales page. This is my own design. Now, the cool thing is that you can redesign it to suit your brand and you can change everything if you want to. It is totally up to you what you want to do. So this is the back end in here, and you can see these are the pages that I was talking about. That's the sales page, the order form, which has got the upsell. This is one of my upsell pages, my downsell, the thank you page. And then these are just some kind of like, I've got to have a contact page and you have to have your privacy terms and your income disclosures and things like that for the certain types of products. But you will get a copy of this entire thing in one click, which is really cool. And you can put whatever products you like in there. I've got 2 in there that I've got, but you could put whatever your most high valued product is there, and then potentially the lower product down there. So it's extremely versatile. So you can do, once you learn the system, you can change it to however you like. So I'm going to show you the thank you page because this is where I host a lot of the tutorials, and you can see how great it would be. These are all of the videos that you get and all of the content that you get that helps you basically learn and implement the entire process from whoa to go. Now that you know everything about my $7 selling strategy and how it works, it's time to take action. Check out the links below and get your freebies. And grab the $7 selling strategy and start implementing this system into your digital product business. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe, leave any questions in the comments. I try to answer every one of my questions, and make sure to check out this video because I'm sure it's going to help you level up even further.